Hey everybody! All right, so on the problem of the day, we're going to have a different type of problem, maybe that next step. So think about talking this one out. It's a good one to sit next to someone and share your thoughts with. So we need to have someone, and this is my friend Kennedy. Kennedy stayed at the museum for 2 hours. So that's important information. When it gets time, we're going to need to know that she stayed for 2 hours. Now, I circled that in red because the red hand shows hours. Okay? It says here, she left the museum at 4:30 in the afternoon. Here's what 4:30 looks like. This is when she left. So the little red hand is pointing right about in the middle because we're 4:30. And the long minute hand is pointing way down at the bottom because we're halfway around the clock. Because that's 1 hour, right? When you're counting the blue hand. One way around is 1 hour. So halfway around, 4:30. Here's the question though. We know when she left. We know how long she stayed. When did she get there? Is the question. So you see why this is the problem of the day? Because you have to kind of think backwards on the clock. We're used to adding time, like we did just on the slide prior to this. We added 5 minutes. Now, though, we're not adding minutes. We're taking hours back. We're changing the hours. So if I was to do this, I would focus in on not the blue hand, but instead I would focus on the hour hand. So if it's 4:30, friends, what was it 1 hour ago? 1 hour ago, it would have been pointing right about here, 3:30. I'll make that red just to be consistent. So we started right here. We jumped back 1 hour. But they didn't say 1 hour. We need to jump back more. Another hour back. So I'm going to change the hand again. Okay, and I'm going to illustrate another jump from here to there. 2. So 2 hours back on the clock, won't be 4:30. It will be 2:30. So the reason why this problem was a little challenging is because you were asked to go backwards on the clock 2 hours to find out when she got there. Thanks for working the problem of the day with me. I'll meet you on the next slide, everybody.